What up guys, welcome back to the vlog. We are gonna do something different with the videos. I had a video planned to go up today, which it's not. It was our Vegas trip and our Elite Tuner show that let me rephrase that because I don't know if that made sense. Oh God, the life of Daniel. Woo! So we're gonna just jump into Dustin's project. I wanna show you guys that because he's releasing his video today. And I wanna make sure that the story stays consistent with what he's doing as well. So Dustin Williams, we have his Evo in here. And we're gonna be doing a full wrap on it. This video is gonna revolve around the drop-off day. And make sure you go back and watch his video too so you can see his point of view of everything. I just think that's really cool. So if you guys are subscribers to both channels, it's always cool to see both sides of the story there, you know. So make sure you go watch Dustin's video, come back and watch our video. If you guys don't subscribe to Dustin Williams, go check out his channel. I'm watching it just thrive and blow up, and it's just exciting to see that. And it's even more exciting to have his car sitting here in our shop when there's plenty of wrap shops that are way closer to him that he could have went to, but he chose us. So I'm super thankful for that. Let's get into the vlog and hope you guys enjoy it.
I could bring my car tomorrow if that's still cool with you.
Of course, bro. Definitely. We'll see you tomorrow.
Okay,
what time you think you come by?
1 or 2.
Okay.
If that's okay with you?
Yeah, it's perfect.
Perfect, yeah.
Okay, brother. We'll see you tomorrow around 2.
All right, dude. Sounds good. Thank you.
All right, later, Dustin.
All right, bye.
Bye. Sweet. So we just sealed the deal. Dustin Williams, good friend of ours, good friend of the premium fam here. He's bringing his brand new Evo, not brand new Evo, his new Evo that he just bought. If you guys go back and watch his vlogs, you'll see all the drama that happened with him getting his first Evo, having some issues with it, and then getting a really, really cool Evo that has everything he wanted and more. And now we get the honor of wrapping it. So super hyped on that. I get excited about all the projects we do. Don't get me wrong, I love all the projects we do, but this one for some reason, like the vision that he has for the car and wanting to really like show people how we can really achieve a paint-like finish. You know, he's really like pushing for that. So we're gonna do a gloss wrap on it. I won't say what color yet, but it's gonna look really, really cool. And I'm excited to show you guys. So Dustin, can't wait to do your project. See you tomorrow. Dustin Williams. Happy birthday.
What's up, dude? Good to see you, man. I am so stoked, dude.
I watched your channel like just blow up over the last couple weeks, you know?
That's this thing, dude.
That's dope. Car wrap, I can have done in a few days.
Yeah, for sure.
But I want to do it right, and I want to fucking just kill it.
No, yeah, 100%. Because it's gonna be super unique with like the livery and everything, and I want it to like.
Yeah, the livery's gonna take a little bit of time.
Yeah.
But it's not too hard.
Yeah, for sure.
So let's go look at the colors.
Yeah.
This is a really nice color, but they're saying that it's probably not coming back.
One right here.
Yeah. All their camera equipment.
Oh, you got the whole setup, dude.
We got some stuff, dude.
Hey, look at you guys.
Yeah.
That's sick, man.
So
I'm excited, dude. I'm excited.
Because we all get hyped, dude. You start moving too fast.
Yeah.
I did. I bought a truck. Like, you know, I went in and didn't know I was gonna buy a truck. And I went and bought it. And I kind of regret it. I kind of regret it. It just spent too much money too fast on it, you know.
Yeah.
But
happens when you get pumped up.
exactly, pumped up, and I had to kind of pump the brakes.
Yeah,
But
for sure, man. This is gonna be sick.
can we have the car for a week and a half?
Have it as long as you need, dude.
Don't tell me that.
It's okay.
That's what that guy said.
Okay.
All right, so we're gonna start on it probably today, tearing it apart.
Okay.
Material wrap tomorrow.
Looking stoked, dude.
All right.
Man. I'm
Dope. Cool. Likewise, we are too. We've been talking about this project all week, so we're all hyped.
Me too, dude. That's like all I've been thinking about.
Yeah,
it's like having it all like finally one color because
Yeah.
it's like so just mismatched right now, and I feel like once it all flows, it's gonna
It's gonna be badass, dude. It's gonna be badass.
be. The car culture over here is like not comparable to anywhere else.
Right.
So,
So Dave might know, not know. Where were you from? Where'd you come from?
Mississippi. So
Mississippi.
all the way from the south to California.
Yeah. And you made that move about a year ago, right?
No, not even like six, 7 months. It's like
Wow.
August. Yeah.
Crazy.
Yeah.
Crazy. So you just picked
Just
up your life.
making moves.
boom.
Yeah.
That's
You
dope.
gotta do some crazy stuff to make stuff happen. So,
Oh, yeah.
I mean, making moves, man.
So we're making moves with you.
For sure, dude.
All right, cool. Let's make it happen. Let's do it.
What's up, guys? I am Dustin Williams, and this is my 2005 Evo 8. It's fairly stock right now, other than like cosmetic mods. The plan for this car is to be a fully built track car. I want it to be sort of like a time attack or autocross, something along those lines. But future plans are swap motors with a built motor, fully front-mounted kit, just a lot of motors. I want it to be like 500 horsepower range. Okay. But for now, pretty stock. We have the Saving carbon fiber fenders, Voltex front bumper, some raised Graham Light wheels, carbon trunk, the Tomei exhaust with a custom-made test pipe that we actually did, which is pretty dope. Ridiculous. It's literally so fun. I've never driven like a V8 motor, especially one like this. Like, Jesus Christ, dude. This is f***ing crazy, dude.
How do you feel?
I don't even have words. Dude, that was so much fun.
I'm glad you had fun.
This thing is sick, dude.
Alright guys, as some of you said on YouTube, Mitch deserves a raise, so how I'm going to try to do that is, we got the new intake for Daniel's truck, and so he doesn't know it yet, but I'm going to throw it on right now. Haven't opened the box yet, haven't seen what the intake looks like. Intakes are pretty straightforward, so hopefully it's pretty smooth. So we got the intake from AFE Power. They hooked it up. They actually hooked it up with a bunch of other goodies for the truck, which we'll also be doing install videos on. So stay tuned and follow the build. Transfer all the rubber grommets from the factory airbox over to the AFE airbox. So then transferring the grommets, there's that one. Got these ones through here. I'll put them on the bottom.
AFE Power, always f***ing efficient. In my honka donka truck. If you guys already haven't, don't feel free to go over to Heavy and Modified and hit that fucking.
I think we need this, Mitch.
Did you just think that was there for looks?
Anyways, for the last step of this, John, my helper here, forgot the biggest clamp on the project. In addition to what we did, there is a clamp that holds the actual filter into the box.
Oh, he tried to put it
No, wait, take it off and show everybody.
Shut up, John.
You shut up, it keeps tightening!
The show will resume after the train passes by.
every time. Oh, damn, boosted.
Damn.
Did you hear that knock?
Oh yeah, like a glove.
So got the intake installed, super quick install. I want to give props to AFV for providing the product, super user friendly. I'm by no means a mechanic or anything like that, and took probably 45 minutes to do the whole install.
You guys made it to the end of the vlog. Thank you guys so much. I know it was a little shorter than usual, but I felt like there was really good content, you know. Bringing Dustin in, we're super excited about that. So I wanted to show you guys the beginning stages of that project, and then also the AFE project that we're working on. They provided a bunch of parts for our Titan XD, and I just haven't had time to install them. And finally today we got around, well, Mitch actually took initiative. He's like, yo, we got an extra hour between appointments, let's get this done. So he installed the cold air intake on the Titan XD. And from what it looks like, I wasn't present, but it looks like it was super simple. And you guys can go back to the clips for reference. If you guys are interested in those products, make sure you hit up AFE. We're really happy with everything thus far. So in shop, if you guys are interested, we're doing flash sales through YouTube. This is only gonna be announced on YouTube. So if you guys are local to the Riverside area, Southern California area, and you wanna stop by our shop, every month we're gonna be doing like a flash sale on a different product. And this time around, we're doing a headlight and taillight tint. That's smoke tint or yellow tint or red tint, whatever you want, for 99 bucks. That's $40 to $50 worth of savings on a set of lights. So if you guys are looking to get your headlights or taillights tinted, make sure you schedule an appointment. All you gotta do is hit up Lauren, our sales rep. You can hit her up on Instagram at JDMLow, or you can hit her up at her email, which is sales@premiumautostyling.com. Thanks again. Like I say all the time, none of this stuff would be possible without you guys. Super happy and thankful that you guys are enjoying the vlogs and the more consistent uploads. I see that because of the feedback you guys are giving us. Drop us a comment. Drop a comment below. We appreciate it. We always like to get in and respond. Whether you want to talk bad or good or whatever it is, comment and one of us will go respond to you, at least giving you a heart. But thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you guys in the next one.